name is Sandy Tatiana Rodriguez Ibanez. I am 20 years old. I like in my free time to watch movies, dance, listen to music, watch documentaries, study, play soccer and basketball, read, do scrap, other play an instrument. I am from Bogota, Cundinamarca. In my last vacation I was in my house. We went out to shopping center and we went to Montserrat and the sanctuary of Holy Twenty. I live with my father, my brothers, my maternal uncle and my maternal grandfather. I study public accounting. For my next vacation I plan to go to Boyacá together with my family, well to know the cooks and the coffee zone of Colombia. My hobby is listening to music, read books, watch documentary and play sport like basketball. The recipe is rice with chicken, pork and beef. Ingredients: 2 cups of white rice, half a pound of beans, a quarter pound of green peas, 2 carrots, 4 cups of water, a chicken breast, half a pound of pork, half a pound of beef, 2 tomatoes, 1 long onion, a paprika, 4 sausages, a quarter of ham, a teaspoon of soy sauce, a head of garlic, salt, red food color. Preparation: 1. The breast is opened in the removed meat from the bone. 2. Cook the chicken in 10 quarts. 3. Season with half a teaspoon of salt, 1 piece of garlic, and half a big hearted onion. 4. Cook the bean into slices and the carrot into cubes. 5. In a pot add the 3 cups of water and cook the beans, the already cooked carrot and the peas, and leave it for 20 minutes. 6. For the rice, cook the 2 tomatoes, half a big headed onion, 3 cloves of garlic and paprika into small cubes. 7. The 4 sausages and the quarter of ham are cooked into slices and squares. 8. Prepare the half pound of pork and the quarter of beans in cubes. 9. We cook the 3 proteins, one with a tablespoon of oil. 10. One half the ingredients cooked and cooked. We proceed to prepare the rice. 11. We have a cup of oil. Cook the onion, garlic, tomatoes, and paprika. Wait until they are golden. 12. The second thing to do is add 2 tablespoons of salt, a teaspoon of soy. 3. 13. He have he adds the 2 cups of rice and leave it as if we were suffering it. 14. Add the sausages, the ham, the vegetables, and the proteins they were previously cooked. 15. And red food color. 16. We put 4 cups of water and let it boil. 17. When it boils, cover it and put it on low until the water dries completely. 18. When it is dry, it is served with a companion.